What's up all my plant lovers, Dianthus here. I wanted to do a quick video just showing how to properly do that mid-season clean of your Dianthus. This is a very easy method to remove all of the spent flowers, to encourage more dense growth throughout the coming summer, and then potentially, depending on the Dianthus that you're growing, you could even see a second flush of flowers maybe towards end of summer, early autumn. So right now, what I've been growing is a beautiful Dianthus Vivid Bright Pink. And here you can see in this overlay how gorgeous this was when it was in full bloom. And that was a few weeks ago. Now you can see that the flowers are starting to finish up and look a little bit brown. So I'm gonna quickly clean them up and show you guys how to do it. I love this Dianthus Vivid Bright Pink because it has really dense growth, and it's kind of has that classic silvery green foliage, and it's a pretty early bloomer. Blooms the end of spring, so it's one of the first flowers to be blooming in the garden. Blooms perfectly in conjunction with my bearded iris, so I love the combination. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a nice handful. These are some like Fisker's scissors, and basically just, trim off a few inches, just like this. Super easy to do. You will absolutely cut some of the foliage back, and that's okay. When you cut that foliage back, you're giving it a nice little haircut, and that's actually going to encourage some new, fresh growth to occur. It's really that easy, just like that. I'll show you one more time, just to give a nice, you kind of pull it back like you're, making a ponytail if you ever had long hair. And you just cut. You could wear gloves, ensure that you don't cut your fingers. I've definitely cut my finger. Had to go to the little emergency room. You can see right here, I cut my finger, had to get a couple stitches in it because I was cutting too fast. And because I was cutting too fast, just going, and I wasn't wearing gloves. So be careful, be mindful. And now it's nice and clean, and you can kind of pull it up and see how well it's growing, how big it's gotten. At this size, it's really not big enough to divide yet, but after one more season, maybe this clump will be doubled in size, and then that'll be a good opportunity to divide this, which at that point, I will show you guys exactly how to do it. But for now, we'll just enjoy a nice cleaner look in our garden and allow some of the other flowers to take the spotlight. That's why we grow so many different varieties of plants that bloom at different times throughout spring, summer, and fall. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I will catch you guys soon. Ciao.